Homeowners in Redmond are always looking for ways to make their houses more comfortable while keeping utility costs under control. With the Pacific Northwest mix of cool, damp winters and mild but sunny summers, finding a balance between indoor comfort and energy efficiency is key. One upgrade that delivers both style and performance is the installation of double-hung windows. Beyond their timeless look, these windows offer significant energy-saving benefits tailored to the needs of Redmond homes. Enhanced insulation and reduced heat transfer. Older windows, especially those with single panes, allow outdoor air to move freely in and out of your home. This leads to higher energy bills as your heating or cooling system works harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. Modern double-hung windows are built with insulated frames and multiple panes of glass, often filled with argon gas for extra thermal resistance. This design dramatically reduces heat transfer, helping your Redmond home stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. The result is a consistent indoor climate and lower reliance on your HVAC system. Energy-efficient glass options. Today's double-hung windows come with advanced glass technologies that directly support energy efficiency. Low emissivity, low-E, glass coatings, for example, reflect infrared heat while still allowing natural sunlight to pass through. In the winter, this means heat from your furnace stays inside instead of escaping outdoors. During summer, low-E glass helps block unwanted solar heat, keeping interiors cooler without sacrificing daylight. For Redmond homeowners, where seasonal shifts can be dramatic, these features create year-round savings and comfort. Improved ventilation. For natural cooling, double-hung windows are unique because both the top and bottom sashes can move. This design allows you to control ventilation more effectively than with single-hung or fixed windows. By opening the bottom sash, you let cooler outdoor air enter. At the same time, warm indoor air escapes through the open top sash. This natural circulation is especially valuable during Redmond's milder summer days, when you may want to reduce dependence on air conditioning. Instead of running your cooling system constantly, you can enjoy fresh breezes that lower indoor temperatures and improve air quality, all while saving on energy use. Tighter seals against drafts and moisture. Energy loss isn't just about heat transfer, it's also about air leaks. Drafts around older windows let conditioned air escape and allow moisture inside, which can create both discomfort and potential structural damage. Modern double-hung windows are installed with precision and designed with advanced weather stripping to prevent these leaks. This means less wasted energy and better protection against Redmond's damp winter conditions. With reduced drafts, your home feels warmer without extra heating, which directly translates into energy savings. Long-term cost savings. While double-hung windows represent an investment upfront, the long-term savings are undeniable. Lower monthly energy bills add up significantly over the years, often offsetting a large portion of the installation cost. Additionally, because they reduce strain on your HVAC system, new windows can extend the lifespan of your heating and cooling equipment, saving even more money on repairs and replacements. For Redmond homeowners, this combination of energy savings, durability, and reduced maintenance makes double-hung windows a smart financial decision. Boosting home value with energy efficiency. Today's buyers are more energy conscious than ever. Homes that already feature energy-efficient upgrades like double-hung windows often attract more attention on the market and command higher resale values. Whether you plan to stay in your Redmond home long-term or sell in the future, this upgrade adds both comfort and market appeal. Conclusion: a comfortable, efficient choice for Redmond. Double-hung windows are more than just a design choice. They're an energy-smart upgrade that helps Redmond homeowners enjoy year-round comfort while keeping utility bills in check. With superior insulation, advanced glass technology, improved ventilation, and durable weather seals, these windows address the unique climate challenges of the Pacific Northwest. If you're ready to improve your home's efficiency, comfort, and value, investing in double-hung window installation is one of the best decisions you can make for your Redmond residence.